In this video, I will show you how you can use Pages on your iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open Pages on your iPad. So let's go to the app library and search Pages. Now after you open Pages, you will see this interface. Now Pages is basically an app for writing and creating documents like Microsoft Word. Now after you open Pages, you can either open a file from here or you can tap on Choose a Template. From here, you can choose a template for the file which you're creating. You have the option for Premium, Recents, you have the option for Basic, and also you have many other options like Education, Newsletter, Brochures, Business, Books, and etc. And also if you don't want to use a template, you can just tap on Start Writing. And after you do that, you will find this white blank page. Now just like MS Word, you can create a title and you can write text over here. If you want to align this text to the center, just select the text, and on the keyboard, just tap on the lines over here, and from here, just select how you want to align this text. For example, I will select Align it to Center. And after that, you can increase or decrease the size of the text from here, just like that. And if you want to enter a date, and if you want to do a line break, you can do it from here. For example, you have the option for line break. You have the option to enter the date and time. You also have an option for bookmark, for footnote, and for table of content. If you want to attach a file to your document, just tap on the attach icon over here. And from here, you can either select a photo or video from your Photos app. You can capture a photo or video directly from the camera of your iPad. You can record the audio and you can attach it over here. You can add a web video. You can choose a file from the Files app. For example, I will select this file. And also you have the option to enter shapes and text into your file. For example, I will select this circle, but you can also enter any other shape which you prefer. Now, if you want to create a table, you can select the table icon over here, and you can select a 2D chart. You can select a 3D chart. Just select the table or the chart which you want to enter, just like that. Now if you want to undo an action, just tap on the arrow icon over here and you will undo the last action. Now if you want to change the name of the file which we have created, just tap on the drop down arrow over here and select rename. And from here you can give a name to the file which we have created. For example, I will name it Pages1. Now to save the file which we have created, just tap on the share button over here and select export and send. And from here, just select the format for your file. You can save this file as a PDF file. You can save it as a Word file. You have the option for EPUB, RTF, images, and Pages template. For example, I will save this file as a Word document and just select Word. As you can see, we have successfully converted this file as a Word document. Now you can share this file with anyone or you can save it to the files. Just select Save to Files. In the Files app, just select the location where you want to save your file. After you select the location, then just tap on Save and you will save the file in your Files app. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.